Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Lex. How y'all doing? It's my birthday. That's right, I look a little something today. I'm in quarantine technically, so I can't go anywhere. So my sister's roommate, Sammy,
Hey.
she went to the store with my sister.
Hey.
And they went and brought me some snacks back from the store. Hey. We went to Sainsbury. So I haven't looked at any of the snacks yet. I'm just going to pull something out and taste it. So, Monster Munch. And then the pickled onion.
Did we even read it?
Let's try. Let's try. Luckily, I like pickles. Onions I don't like, but I like onion powder, so let's see. Not bad. Not bad. It tastes like pickled onion. Like a pickle chip with onion, but on a onion ring. It tastes like an onion ring with a pickle sauce chip.
Not too yummy.
If I'm gonna rank that, 1 out of 10, I'm gonna get it out of 8. I like pickle, and I like onion ring. But it's like less oniony as an onion ring, because onion ring be too salty sometimes. I like that. Makes you want a little more. Wanna try some? My sister wants to try some. I don't think she wants to try it. She smelled it and said no. She literally just smelled it on the side and said she's not trying it. Okay, so I don't think she's gonna try that one. She's folding the bag. It's on. Okay, next one. Wine gummies? Okay. I don't really like wine. So,
You should try the purple one.
Purple one.
Yeah.
Purple is always nasty in my experience. At least in American candy. If you want purple, it's okay. Here we go. Purple candy. It's a little harder to open than I thought. There's the purple one, so let's just go straight for the purple one. Okay. Oh man. Oh no. I don't know.
What does it taste like?
I don't know.
Is it like a gummy bear?
Yeah, but mintier.
Minty.
I can't explain it. It's like it's minty-ish. Let me try that flavor. I don't know. It's not bad though. It's like a back. Maybe like the store had it next to some mints. There's some mint on it. I don't know. It tastes like almost refreshing. This one don't taste minty. It must just be this flavor. That's the purple one, right? You call this purple? Let's stick them together. Nom.
So what do you rate it?
Gummy bears. Gummy bears. That's an 8 out of 10. Yeah. Well, that one, I don't taste minty anymore. That's suspicious.
That's weird.
That's weird. What is that, Bruno? Is that what it is?
Bueno.
We're gonna have to cut that out. We're gonna edit that.
Bruno Mars.
Bueno.
Bueno.
That's Spanish, no? It's from Spain? I think we have these in America too. Now we have them in America now. Yeah, but
Have you tried one?
I actually have tried one of these before. I like hazelnut, so I like them. She's like a funny man. I hate that too.
Big bite, girl.
That was a big bite.
Yeah.
Is it good?
That's good. It's like a little milk chocolate. I don't know what's inside there, but 9 out of 10. Like
9
food.
out of 10.
Ooh.
Too high?
You can give me these things.
I have been rating really high, but I
Had to like the box.
I know.
Like, where's
I just like snacks.
9 out of 10.
Everything's
we have some mini rolls now.
oh, mini rolls.
Yeah.
You know why they're called mini rolls?
No.
No.
Because they're not big rolls. These kind of look like what are the snacks we have, Brianna, called?
I don't eat that.
I don't eat that.
Hello?
Ho is it a ho ho? Ho
Something
ho
like that.
ho ho or something like that? Oh ho ho. One of these basically, but without this has a chocolate outside. Again, I like chocolate, and I like cake, and I like everything that should be in here. So, fully.
Good or bad?
It's not my cup of tea, but.
What would you rate it out of 10?
7 out of 10. If you like it, you will like it.
Why is it so high? Like, it's such
Should even be like a 3 out of 10.
If it's nasty, it's gonna be nasty to me. But I like stuff or I don't. That's okay. Here we got
Jammy Dodgers.
Jammy Dodgers. Look, say it again for us.
Jammy Dodgers.
Jammy Dodgers. 12 biscuits. Y'all know we call them cookies. It's like your grandma cookie. You know what I'm saying?
That's so good though.
Raspberry. Okay, she loved the Jammy Dodge. I'm not really like a fan of stuff with things inside of it, like juices inside of it. Oh, it's right here. Like, I'm not like a filling type of girl, but this is hard to get out. Oh my gosh.
Do you take the cookie out so people can see?
The cookie good though.
Yeah.
The cookie is good. That's a good cookie. I didn't get any of the inside. But the cookie's almost like a butter cookie. What's up with that? Butter cookies, Brianna? Yeah.
Send me one.
Send you one?
Yeah.
You wanna try one too? She wanna try one. This is how it looks without it, bro. Jammy Dodger.
Jammy Dodgers.
It tastes like them old people cookies. It's
It's like a cracker.
no,
It's like a cracker. I don't like it. It's like an old cracker.
It's like the old people's cookies. I mean, not old people. You know what you get at your grandmother's house.
It's an old cracker. Like the cracker is
Yeah.
actually old.
Oh. It tastes like what you get from your grandmother's house to me.
It doesn't.
This, no, seriously, it says sale to me. Maybe it is sale.
Maybe it is. Who knows?
No, yeah, I can taste sale.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to taste sale?
I don't know how it's supposed to taste.
No thanks.
It wasn't bad though. I'll give that one a 7 also.
Oh my god. This rabbit took me out.
Strawberry laces. Is that like licorice? Like Twizzlers, right? Do you guys have Twizzlers here? You have Twizzlers?
Twizzlers.
Yeah.
Like turkey Twizzlers. What Twizzlers?
Ooh.
Twizzlers are like what?
Like a little Twizzler. It looks like it's like a licorice too. This looks like licorice.
I don't know.
Twizzlers are. They don't have Twizzlers, so this must be their version of Twizzlers. The laces. give you all this side. Sorry, you know. Just a little. Because you know when it's open, you can't see nothing. But when it's closed, it's like, ah, my face.
All I need is a Twizzler.
Nah, Twizzler. Okay. I can't open this thing. This thing is childproof. Honey, they said, don't let anybody in this bag. Okay. No kid, no adult. Honey, if you want this candy, you have to buy it because you can't, you know, just scoop it out or something. Oh, honey, this thing is serious. Okay. Oh, it's longish. Let's see. Huh?
What?
That's strawberry laces.
What is it? Is it like
It's kind of better than Twizzler.
it is?
It's like sweeter. It's you know, like the candy straws or whatever.
Yeah.
And they put the candy around it to make it even sweeter.
Yeah.
It's like the inside of that. Well, I think we have laces in America, something like that. It's not the Twizzler, but it's like the Twizzler. But y'all know what I'm talking about. You get it at the candy store.
With the sour.
I mean, the ones without the sour is different
What
colors.
is that nice?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Mr. Kipling. It was cherry Bakewell. What is that? Ambassador. Ambassador.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's a strawberry bakewell. It's a little tart.
A tart. Okay. Okay.
Why are you so scared?
Because I'm scared of cherry things, too.
Oh no, I didn't know.
No, you have to. Got the little cherry in it. Oh, wait, did I rate those? 9 out of 10. I like candy. This smell. It smell like a Shirley Temple-ish. You know the little cherry. What are them little cherries called? The little cherries. Little cherries. I don't like the cherries like that. But I like a Shirley Temple. But I don't like the cherry like that. Let's see.
Smells like
Oh, it's crumbly. How you supposed to get this out? Oh, it pops out. Hit it.
I'm done.
Okay.
I can't wait to see this end of the video.
Look.
Girl, it takes you 45. It takes you 2 hours to cook that macaroni and cheese.
Sweat. Maybe I should swallow the freezer.
It's not bad. Yeah, it tastes like the cookie a little bit. Like softer. Oh well.
What do you rate it out of 10?
6.
A 6. Okay.
Yeah.
So far that's the one you're least.
Can I say it's my least? Yeah.
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 You rated it 6.
Yeah. Yeah. It's my least so far. But it's because I just do not like literally. Me and cherry don't get along unless if it's like real cherry. I don't like the cherry that's like soaked in this stuff. I like a real cherry. You know what I'm saying? Mellow and marsh. That got to be. Is that my little marshmallow friend with some chocolate? Oh yes, I love the chocolate. Ah. 9 out of 10. I love marshmallow and chocolate. Like a s'mores to go. Without the cracker.
It's like a s'mores.
No.
What is it like? What is your side?
Chocolate and marshmallow.
Like fluff or?
Like, no, like an actual marshmallow.
Oh wow.
Not fluffed up.
So good. That's a
Because, yeah, I like it. Yeah. But I like marshmallow, I like chocolate.
So this is a malt loaf.
A malt loaf? Oh, say that again.
A malt loaf.
A malt loaf. Malt loaf. Why you say after that?
Just excited for you to try it. See what you think.
It got fruit, but it don't look like fruit. This is like 5 meal lunchbox lovers. It's like a meal replacement or something.
I used to have this like, when I was a child. So.
I used to have it as a child, like as a snack. So
Yeah.
it's like, okay, a snack. It look like fruit cake or something. I don't know. Smell like a fruit cake.
In a package, you just smell the
But like, yeah, you can smell it through the packet. It's fruit cake-esque. I don't know. I don't know, guys. They used to feed this to the children, so let's see. So let y'all look at it. It looked like a fruit cake. No, that's mysterious. But you know what? I like it. This is suspicious to say the least.
What does it taste like?
I'm about to tell you. Which is really weird. But you know, the brown bread at Cheesecake Factory? Kind of tastes like that. Like legit. Like it tastes like the brown bread at Cheesecake Factory. I'm really confused.
It tastes like bread.
We got bread. Well, look, wait. Nope. Getting new flavors. They're like, yeah, the brown bread mixed with a fruitcake. Because it's like a raisin, I think. Like a raisin right there. That's suspicious. Actually not bad. I give it a 7.
Like, what's the texture?
Now that's where, yeah, I don't know. It's like solid but wet. Just literally like, it's like, it's like a fruit cake mixed with the Cheesecake Factory bread. Like, no joke. Y'all used to, okay. Hey, kid snacks. I see them for the kids. Look at a little jump rope. Okay. This is my last snack. Mini cheddars. So it look like, you ever had Cheez-Its before? Looks like a Cheez-Its, I think, because it's called mini cheddars. They have Cheez-Its here?
What's that?
Okay, they don't have Cheez-Its, so this must be the... And there's a whole bunch of little packs of them in the pack. You don't have snacks for days. Ooh, it's not Cheez-Its. Little rounds. Cute. I say it's like, you ever had them chicken biscuits? But like 100% milder. But no, let me change that. Tastes like a Ritz cracker almost. It's very not cheesy. These aren't that cheese. You supposed to eat this with cheese? Or you just eat it by
You
itself?
just eat it by itself.
Not cheesy. But maybe I'm used to fake cheese in America with the Cheez-Its. I don't know.
That's got real cheese in it.
It has real cheese in it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give that. 8 out of 10. So what I will say
That
is,
was really high.
what's that? I feel like I should be giving numbers. It's not nasty. Like, nothing has been nasty. Like, I'm telling you, nothing is nasty. I think I have an easy palate. I think that's what it is. I mean, I would just snack on these. Literally just pull it out. We're watching a movie. We'll just eat. I don't know if this is something I'll just pull out and just eat, but I'd eat it if it was given to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, here, eat this. Okay. Definitely eat. I don't like stuff, but if I like stuff, jelly-filled stuff, this thing will slap. If I like stuff that has cream in it, that thing will be delicious. This will be delicious too if I like cherry. Like for the grocery store, like just getting it at the grocery store, it's pretty legit pastry. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a legit pastry for the grocery store. Gummies, you can't really go wrong with gummies. They didn't taste like wine. Are they supposed to taste like wine though?
No.
No. Okay, they don't have wine in them, right? Okay, so these are. I thought it was gonna taste like. I'm not a fan of wine. Like it already else. Tastes like wine. I eat it again. This. I don't. You know. It's your cup of tea. But either way, I enjoyed all my little snacks. I'm gonna see if I can come back again with my road mates. That's you
we'll do
guys.
that. We'll look fabulous.
My road mates, and we're gonna try another video, and we're gonna have more foods hopefully.
Part 2. And we can have some cup noodles.
Oh. Is
I
that
want to try like food.
you want to try food?
Yeah, I think that would be good, like food. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try real food that I guess we can only get in London, which is a lot of food because even though we live in America, we don't eat that much food. Well, we eat actually a lot of food, but
we don't eat British food.
we do not eat British food.
We should get a roast, like a Sunday roast. or
Yeah, like a
something.
whole.
A Sunday roast?
You can try spotted
Spotted dick.
dick. That one thing with the blood on it.
Oh, haggis.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not.
Look at her face. She's like, oh.
No haggis for you either. That's listen, I'm not eating haggis. I don't eat things with the blood. Okay. If it's not cooked out, I am not eating it. It's not my way of life. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. We'll be back with more foods, and I hope you guys enjoyed on our lockdown missions of just eating because that's all we can do during lockdown. Even though we're still gonna try to lose 20 pounds this month.
Yes.
So wish me good luck, because obviously I like to eat, so it's gonna be a little hard. But I think I can eat and work out and lose weight. So at least, hopefully, 5 pounds. But if I don't see you 5 pounds later, it's because I'm doing a video soon. So don't expect 5 pounds next week. So give me some time. Because we're getting off lockdown. So we're going to get on the streets. But the streets aren't the streets because the whole town is locked down. But we're going to go
Streets on the streets, but
out. So I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, enjoy. Hasta la vista. What was the one I called wrong? Diablo? Who was it? What was his name? I need to learn.
Bruno.
What I call it? Bruno? Whatever it is. Obviously, I need to stay home.